Realtors, do not spend your commission before you actually receive it. I see this with a lot of realtors where they actually start calculating how much they're gonna make out of every single deal. Sometimes before they even go on a listing appointment, they calculate in their head how much they will potentially make out of this listing. And the biggest problem with that is that when they do that, they will start looking more about the money and not actually helping the client achieve what they're trying to achieve, either buying or selling. And on top of that, they will start going into spending mode versus trying to go into service mode. And then they will start spending money sometimes that they don't have just yet. So before you do that, make sure that you actually get to the closing table, make sure that you actually close on the deal before you even think about spending anything about that deal or spend any money from that commission or any money from that sale. And on top of that, you should never be spending all of your commission at once. You should definitely be putting some money aside, of course, for tax purposes. You want to give maybe some money to charity or to the church that you are part of, and then at the same time maybe have a savings account where you can take part of that commission and have it go towards a savings account. Make sure that you're not spending before you actually receive.